everybody, welcome to my video today. This is Tina and we're going to be talking about simply layered kits, but I'm excited because Chris is here with me.
Hi everybody.
She's going to be showing you her card for this month. So a couple things changed last month. So all of our members for Simply Layered Kits already know this because all of this information already went out. So I just wanted to point out that there is a new welcome document here that will give you all the details for future kits because we have a brand new holiday catalog and all of the product we're using this month is all from the new holiday catalog. Yay. So we're so excited. This catalog is amazing. You guys are going to love the layouts and projects that we're doing. And then also the PDF has changed a little bit just as we have introduced Chris to the super fun adventure that we're having, and it has been an adventure the last couple weeks. Okay, so let's get started so you guys can see the layout. So it is a Halloween fall themed layout and you guys are going to have some options. So the way this works is there are 3 options to purchase these Simply Layered kits. You can purchase just the video, so you will get a video of the Simply Layered page here, and then Chris in 1 minute, she's right over here, she's going to show you her card. So you'll get both exclusive videos and that is going to be $20. Or you can buy the kit. Now if you buy the kit, all these pieces here, you will not get anything that is 12 by 12. So you'll have to remember that. Or just the kit is $30. If you place an order with either myself or Chris and you use the host code, and they will be listed down below along with our website. So this month it's a little bit different. We're doing it together. So both of our things will be listed below with our matching host codes. You spend $50 or more and use that host code and you're going to get the kits for free. Now we have a suggested list of product for you, and the suggested list this month is this designer paper. This is brand new from the holiday catalog. So you guys will not be able to get the suggested items until September 5th. So that was a little bit of a hiccup on my part. We're going live with this on the 3rd. You'll have to wait until the 5th to place your orders to get the suggested items. So the suggested items are, this is the really cute designer paper. This is the Toil and Trouble designer paper. It is fall themed and Halloween themed. It has this really cute cat paper right here. So there's this paper. Let me just set this aside. And then there is a bundle, and Chris is using this bundle on her card quite a bit. So there is this stamp set, and it has the witch. She's going to do some coloring. Has this hat, the cute little cat. Super cute. And then there are some dies that go with this, and I want these dies for this die alone. It is a super cute die, and you're going to see that on our page. So that's the suggested list. So let's dive into what you guys are going to get to make this month. So here is the 12 by 12 layout. We're going to use the back paper here. This, you guys will get a printable PDF to do your project and the exclusive video on how to put this together. This month you have 2 exclusive items that you're getting as part of the kit. You're getting these cute little ghosts right here. These are from some framelits from several years ago. You'll get the little googly eyes and the ghosts to put on here. And then you're going to get 3 Project Life style cards, and you can choose whichever 2 you want to use on your layout, or you can use all 3 of them. But these are exclusive, and you will get those in this kit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at Chris's card, and you're going to see what you get to make for the card, and she has a special project for you guys as well.
Hello everybody. So this is the card that we're going to be making, and I colored her in, but I'm going to also show you how you can use that cute paper that Katina showed us earlier to do some fun things with. So like example, I used the die cuts instead of coloring. You could cut out the cauldron using the die cut. Actually, I should probably put it like that. And then as an exclusive also, you're going to get a couple more ghosts because I'm going to show you a cute project that's going to be a surprise when you get your kit, what you can do with these to give to somebody special or to keep for yourself.
So we really hope that you guys will purchase the Simply Layered kits. I'm really excited that Chris has come on and she's doing the card and we have these really fun projects for you guys. So remember, if you're on YouTube, you can look down in the description below. Chris's online Stampin' Up! Store is linked with her host code, and my online store is linked with my host code. You guys can order from either one of us. We don't care. We just want you to get the kits. So we're very excited. If you're on our websites, then our information will be there, or if you're on our Facebook page, you will find our information there. So we are everywhere, you guys. So we want to say thank you so much, and we will catch you in our exclusive videos.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.